Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I have a winter ASOS haul for you. I just wanted to pick up a couple of little bits. You know how it is when you're browsing and loads of stuff ended up in my basket and I ended up spending a lot of money. So here we are. I have got a haul for you. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the bell, come and follow me over on Instagram as well, and let's get straight into it. I am gonna start off with this blouse that I am wearing. Can we take a moment? Is this not just a bit of me? Like, I love everything about this. I was very specific. I typed in green satin shirt and I saw this and I was like, that is exactly what I wanted. ASOS hun, you have pulled through. I just absolutely love the bell sleeves. I love the colour, like this lime green, I just think is absolutely gorgeous. I love the neckline. I don't remember how much this was, but I'll link it below along with all of the other items that I'm mentioning. But this was not that expensive and it looks really expensive and I'm just so here for it. Like, festive season, come at me. I've got my shirt, I'm ready. Next up I got this brown faux leather jacket from Bershka. This was only, I think it was $29.99, and honestly it looks so expensive. I'm a bit funny about leather and faux leather. I usually don't like faux leather at all. Like, I usually just think it looks like plastic, but this is really great quality. It genuinely looks like leather. And I've just been wanting an oversized leather blazer for a while and I saw this and I just absolutely loved it. I just think it looks so nice, and I think these are such an easy way to make an outfit look put together and a bit smarter, and I think they look so great on an evening. They look great during the day, and I really like the kind of chocolatey brownie colour as well. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, next up I got this knitted jumper in like this gorgeous oatmeal colour and I absolutely love it, and it's a co-ord with this gorgeous knitted skirt. I really wanted a knitted jumper and knitted skirt co-ord. You can buy these separately, so you can buy either or, but I wanted them to wear together. I'm really into that Parisian chic look at the moment, you know, just simple knitted jumper, accessories like maybe a pair of sunglasses, some nice rings, nails done, a red lip, sorted. That type of outfit looks so put together and like you've really made an effort when literally it's just all in the details, and I absolutely love this colour. I think it is so nice and I just love this type of vibe for winter time. I just think it looks very put together but also very cozy and very snuggly. And I also got the same outfit in grey. I absolutely loved it and I was just like, oh, like this with a pair of black boots, pair of sunnies, like I said, a red lip. You don't even have to go all out and have the red lip obviously, but I just think with an outfit like this, it's the details that finish it off, and I absolutely love this vibe. Following the same theme, I picked up this grey ribbed jumper dress. This is so stunning. It's maxi length and it's got like a little slit up the side. It's not very high or anything, but I just think it helps it to move nicely, and it's nice to just see a little bit of leg poking out of the bottom like when you walk. Also, this is just a fab outfit to wear if you're feeling bloated, if you've been for a meal. Like, that is gonna hide a food baby no problem whatsoever. But oh, absolutely love it. And I got this gorgeous pair of knee-high boots also from Bershka. They do them in a size 2. I love ASOS because they stock size 2s and I just don't know how. We're in 2021 and it is so hard to find shoes in a size 2. I also don't know why ASOS is one of the only places I can find petite clothes. Like, we have a lot of brands now doing plus size ranges, which is absolutely amazing, but we also need more petite clothing. Like, I need to be able to walk into Zara or I don't know, like H&M, anywhere, and just be able to buy clothes. It's ridiculous. Like, surely I'm not an anomaly, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just so annoying, and I get so many of you in my DMs who've got the same problem where you just can't find petite clothes. It's just ridiculous. Like, what? Why can't we just provide clothes for everyone? Anyway, I've gone off on a tangent. Look at my gorgeous new boots. They've got a rubber sole as well, so these are going to be super comfortable, and they're kind of like sock boot material but with more structure. Like, they're not sock boot material, what am I talking about? They're basically fabric is what I'm trying to say, but I just absolutely love these. And also I think that these will look so nice with knitted skirts and things like that. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Next up, I picked up another North Face hat. I have one of these already and I literally wear it all the time during winter, but I did put it in the wash with my whitewashing. I don't know how it ended up in there, but now it's all like bobbly and it's gone weird. So I picked myself up another one of these because it really does keep my head warm when I'm out and about, and I just love them. I think they're so, so good. Right, I picked up this big North Face fleece. It's kind of cropped. Well, it's not cropped, it's just short. I could be making this up, but I think they might have had this in black. If they did, I might get the black one. But yeah, I like how it's got the like high collar as well. I just thought it would be like really warm during winter time. I got this stunning chocolatey velvet dress. I love the colour of this. I love the tie neck and how it drapes down the back. I just love the fit of this. I think it's absolutely stunning. They did have this in different colours as well, but like limited sizing. This one was petite. I think they had, oh, they had a stunning red one, like stunning, but that was in tall. And I think they had like a regular sized one in blue, which was also gorgeous. But yeah, anything velvet for this time of year, it's just so festive and I cannot wait to wear this. I also picked up this velvet dress from the ASOS design range. I really like their design range. I think it's really, really nice, and it was the colour of this that drew me in. I love gold with a tiny hint of like a green undertone. I just think it is absolutely stunning, and oh, I just absolutely love this. I love the shape of it. I love the ruching. I love the little V in between your boobs. I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the shoulders. I think it's beaut. Absolutely beaut. That one was petite, but I'm pretty sure they have a lot of their petite range in their regular sizing as well. So if it is in their regular sizing, I'll link that down below as well. But next up, I got another ribbed jumper dress. I love these. Like I said, with a pair of boots and a pair of sunnies, maybe like a nice scarf or something, you just can't go wrong with them. They're an amazing outfit in winter time. This one is less chunky, so this will be nice like underneath a leather jacket or something. That's the only thing about chunky knits, they don't go underneath a lot of coats. So I like to have thinner ones that do. But yeah, absolutely love these. I think they are amazing. And this one has like a little sort of slit. It's hardly a slit, but I just, like I said, I think that having this really makes it move much nicer when you walk. There's nothing worse than when your skirt or your dress gets to the bottom of your legs and you're trying to walk and you're having to take tiny little baby steps because you can't move your legs. So I like that little detail, and yeah, I really like the neckline on this as well. I love a turtleneck. Leave me a comment, let me know what is your favourite item that I picked up, and if you'll be picking anything out yourself. Like I said, I will link everything in the description box below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a cheeky little thumbs up if you did, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys!